My name is Nate Leach. I'm an adoption attorney at BleekeDillonCrandall in Indianapolis, Indiana. And although our office is based in Indianapolis, I do represent parties to the adoption proceedings throughout the state. When I was considering what type of law I wanted to practice, I was really drawn to adoption law because I really enjoy helping families add to their families, particularly when they find themselves in a situation that maybe they didn't necessarily plan for. Considering what is at stake in adoption, it's very important to retain an attorney that has the requisite level of knowledge. I've been practicing adoption law since I first became an Indiana licensed attorney, and since that time have been involved in hundreds of adoptions. I'm also proud of the fact that I've been selected as a fellow to the American Academy of Adoption Attorneys, which is an association of attorneys nationwide that have demonstrated a significant knowledge in the area of adoptions, and I'm very proud to be part of this group. There are lots of different types of adoptions in Indiana, from open adoptions to where the parties are sharing information and intend on having a relationship after placement, to the more traditional types of adoptions where it's completely confidential and there is no relationship after the placement occurs. And what's very important is that both parties be on the same page when they're initially matched, so that the whole experience can be satisfying for both. And in my adoption practice, I've really developed a great deal of respect for mothers that are considering placing their children for adoption, and really learned that it's one of the most unselfish acts imaginable, and just such a wonderful gift to a family that is wanting to grow. I offer a free consultation to adoptive parents and prospective birth mothers because I think it's so important for both parties to understand the adoption process and to be able to ask me questions without any type of obligation, including a financial one. I believe that that is what best allows both parties to determine if adoption is right for them. And I also enjoy being able to provide a free consultation to birth mothers in particular, because it's very helpful, I've found, to explain the different resources that may or may not be available to them. Oftentimes they're entitled to receive living expenses. They may also have the medical expenses of their child paid for, and oftentimes there's counseling available for them as well. I would love the opportunity to discuss and answer your adoption questions.